Today guys, we're fixing another major problem, but it's not part of the mechanical system, like the direction. It's not part of everything but the engine. So there, okay, you can't see it, but anyways, so here I have my two spark plugs, which were only a bit back. They're not that bad actually, but there's one thing I noticed. Because I took off the muffler, because I had not enough space to make the holes for the direction, the control arms, I had to take off the muffler. And yesterday I was testing out some things, and I had the two old spark plugs in, and because it is straight pipe, you can see right here that it's completely straight piped, and the muffler is supposed to be here. So as I was testing, I put my hands under one of the pipes and it blew super hot air, and I did the same for the other one, and the air was not cold, but it was not hot, it was normal temperature. So I asked ChatGPT because I didn't know what could be the actual problem, and the main reason was probably your spark plugs are bad. Oh shit. So I tested out by switching the spark plugs together, so the right one went where the left one was, and the left one where the right one was. So I came to a conclusion where only one wasn't working, and it's the most pale one, because this is the most pale one because it didn't actually fire. So since I started my videos, when I first started it, and when I went into my yard to try it, I was only running on one cylinder. So I went to Canadian Tire to change them, and actually now I have other ones. So let's test them out. So it should be twice as fast as before. Wait. It's running so much better, guys. This was the reason why it wasn't working, because I didn't try on video, but I tried to start it with the belt and the pulleys I did before, and the motor was stalling. So it was stalling, and I didn't know actually why. I thought it was because there was too much stress on the pulleys and everything. Probably it's just because we were running on one cylinder and not two. Guys, everything is in place. The differential is not lowered. Here it is. I have been riding it all the evening, and yeah, it works super good. I mean, the direction have to be done again. There's a few things like the muffler cover to put on, the side cover there. Then I dismantled the differential, because I need to tomorrow make another bracket, probably just about here, so it sits properly, and this is equal to the front. And right now I'm cleaning the differential because it is so dirty, and I can't put that on that like this shit is not going on that if it's not clean, so I've got to clean it. And yeah, that's probably the thing I'll do till tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm messing with the big things, so yeah. Before putting that differential to the test, I actually have to drain the oil and put new one. Alright guys, so I've bought new parts, things like oil for the differential, another bottle of oil, some bolts to extract the wheel, because this one is upside down. I need to extract it with a bracket. This is for the gas tank because the old seal broke. This one is especially for the fuel tanks, so it should work a lot better. I want to repair my valve because it the epoxy I put before that you've seen on the other videos just broke, so I'm like heating that thing up, if I can say. So I'm playing with it. I'll make a worm with it. Put it like that on that seal, perfectly sitting like that. Perfect. Know that this won't break anymore, and we just have to wait 1 hour. This remaining hour I'll go modify my brackets for the differential. I hope it'll turn out good. And there's my grandfather coming out to help us put the tubes on the wheel. And so yeah, I hope it'll work better for the wheel. Guys, it's not night, but it's like 7 p.m. and I've hurt my finger. I'm working on that, and I made some holes with my grandfather like 5 hours ago. I made a metal plate with 2 bolts, and I was torquing the 2 bolts so I could get the axle. Like going down, it was so rusted. I don't even know what was going on. So we let the rust off and the oil like penetrate a bit, and I'm going to be working on probably taking apart the differential to see if there's any broken pieces. guys, the video cut, but I finished doing this, and you can see there was some rust, so I'm gonna get it cleaned, but I'm pretty sure it won't be perfect at the end, so in the end, so yeah. Okay, so guys, I've put everything in there, but not that because I can't undo it, so I just have to clean a bit everything, undo everything of that, clean everything with gasoline, and put it back together and drain the oil. Or I am happy I didn't throw that in the garbage because I can use that to undo my bolts. So let me just put that like this. Okay, and yeah, it works super good because it's spinning, and with my hand it's a bit too hard to hold, so with this strap is perfect. There's plenty of surface of contact. Alright, so I dismantled all the bolts, then it should open. Oh yeah, like that. Perfect. Wow, it looks pretty good. This is wow, I like to see that. This is one of the gears, of the major gears that oh, what is that? Oh, we got something here, guys. If you ever have a problem like me, so a differential, here's the thing that broke off. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect it to be in that. Wow, I mean, this thing is built different, like for real. It's not even a joke. Look at that, guys. This thing was like literally on this axle. It was clipping the axle to this gear, and it didn't even broke. It didn't even break, and it was in that, like you've seen, and this gear is on top of that. So, oh my god, I'm just so happy it didn't break. Whatever. Oh, but there's a problem. There are some washers that have been a bit destroyed. Holy shit, look at that. You can see this crumbles. Okay, I'll look at this and I'll show you what has happened. Alright guys, so it's going very good with some Linkin Park in my headphones. I'm cleaning with gasoline, spraying on these things, brushing with the brush, and it comes super good. It was like all brown with a bit of rust. You can actually see here the brown. So the brown here is what came off. Alright, so when I took off the few bolts that were on that big part, I didn't know this could actually go out. So now I realized it, so you can take out I'll just take all that out. Oh, interesting. So here are the broken parts. Okay. Alright, so now I can take that off. Yeah, here it is. this, I don't know what it's called, but this thing that I have the bolt going out. I torqued these two nuts and this, and I heat it up, and this axle should be going out after a while. I don't know how much time it will take. I hope today is going to be the day, but still not sure. So yeah, we'll put some oil on it, rust off everything, do it 3-4 times, 6-7 times, I don't know, we'll see. So the thing I did, guys, to like crank the bolt to make the axle pop didn't work. So what I did is I just cut the wheel, I made some holes, and I had like a big chunk of metal. Then I reduced it to, it was large like that. Then I just took off the top and the bottom. Like there were two discs. I took the top and the bottom, so then I could slice all the way through. And it just went off like that. So when I lift the axle, it just popped off. So you can see the axle, it's looking super good. I need probably to fix these lines, but it doesn't matter if I put it on like a wheel. So I just have to buy new wheels and we're good to go then. Okay, so guys, I said earlier I didn't have the wheels, but I took a front wheel, like temporary front wheel, and I just basically took a normal tube, measured the length I needed, then I like 1.5 inches I cut a line in the tube, so it's not completely cut. So I cut line the width of this key, and now I'll take half of the key to put on that, in that, and this is going to be a temporary wheel. So I'll do the wheels and you'll see me, guys, going out with that thing. Let's go. All right, so this should be pretty good. And the reason why I don't have these wheels is because the guy that's originally wanted to sell me his wheels is because he thought he measured the outer diameter. He measured, like, for example, here, and I wanted the inner diameter. So he made me travel 200 kilometers only to see it was not good. So he basically gave me these wheels. But anyways, let's get back to work. Okay, so here we have, like I said, the wheel going on that base. Like that, perfect. Put the key, tap it in. You over 2 millimeters, I think. This should be good. So now we can take this big washer I told you, put it on top, and finally put the part in. So now you have a fully working custom wheel. Yeah, so here I have, it has a bit of loose, but it's not that bad. You can ride this for a day. It won't break, I hope. So I'll do the other wheel and I hop on and try to ride it. We don't want to run out of fuel during a small ride. Alright, we're good to go. We are good to go. I don't want to wait anymore. Remember when my gas tank was in the back? When I'll have bigger wheels, I have to put my differential a bit higher, and then the gas tank would have been in the way and everything. So not complicated. Let's go. Let's just go. It's like a go-kart.
It's been a while since I couldn't say